So you're muted, sir.
Hello, are you in now?
Yeah, yes.
Are you understanding? Right, I'll repeat it again. Let me give a clarity for this. I'm writing the code itself now. Okay, please, okay, wait, I'll start this. Yeah, I'll be writing the code, right? Now, the abstract class is, let it call it as a shape. Okay, okay, class is a shape which has a draw method called as a D, right? This is my abstract class, right? I call it as a shape. Then I inherit from this, and I call one is rectangle, the other is circle, the other one is triangle, right? Are you clear about this? Right? Now, my C++ class, it goes like this. Shape, okay, shape, shape equal to, I'll say object reference. Sorry, I'm sorry. This is not equal to this. Object reference is of the type, right, shape, that's all. No instance is being created. This is the C++ code only I'm talking. Right? Now, I'll create the rectangle, right? My O1 object is of the type rectangle, right? And my circle object is O2, right? My triangle object is O3, right? Then what I do is I'll be writing some code here. Then afterwards, right, what I'll be doing is object reference dot, okay, draw, I'll be calling. My code ends here. This is my entire code, right? Now look at that, okay, the green color. Here what I do, this part, all of you focus, right? If I keep object reference equal to O1 and execute this code, what happens? Dheeraj, tell me what happens.
So draw method of rectangle is called.
Exactly. Now instead of that, okay, the OR equal to, if I write, okay, equal to O3 here, what happens? What happens? Abhishek P, what happens here? Abhishek P. Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
What happens here? Object reference, if I keep O3, right, then what happens here? The triangle's draw is called. Am I right? Dheeraj?
That was
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now look at that. This particular part, whatever I'm drawing now here, okay, that you will get by clicking appropriate menu item. That object will be picked from the shape and that is brought here. And now look at the red color marking now, whatever I'm doing here. This code remains same. I'm not altering here. Right? This is a C++ code only I'm showing here. We will write a complete program very soon, maybe after under 2-3 days. You have to wait. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
The floor is open for the discussion now. We have completed a 50% of class test, under 50%. Then we'll get into one by one program, maybe under 2 days. Once we complete that, all these things, you will see it in C++. And more than that. And more than that, as many as around 50 to 56 programs, you will see it. I will explain the principles every line by line. I give a code to you. You will be running. You will be playing that, and you will be questioning me, okay, about your any clarity required. That's how, okay, the program begins. Maybe after another 2 class. Is it okay? Dheeraj?
excuse me, sir.
Any question?
Yes, sir. I had a question. Sir.
Go ahead. What is that?
Yes, sir. Like in OP code, where we'll be using only OR equal to and the object we will be replacing, sir.
Mhm.
And in methods, we'll be validating whether the object matches to this or not. Only these two difference you mentioned.
See here, the object reference by clicking a menu or somehow it comes and sits in object reference because object reference is a pointer to the base class. Object reference of the base class pointer, can point to the object of its children, right? How we do it, it is left to us. Once okay, that object reference okay is ready, simply I am calling or.d. That the draw method of that object which is pointed by or is called. The meaning of this blue color, whatever I'm writing here, now look at that. The meaning of this is call the draw method of that object pointed by or. Or may point to any object depending on what you have done it before, anywhere. Depending on which object the OR is made to point, the corresponding draw is called. This is a polymorphic call. Are you clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That validating part will be skipped, sir. That's what you meant.
Which validating part?
Like for a circle, calling the circle draw method will be skipped and directly it will be taken care here.
Yeah, that is internally it is taken care, everything. Right? That's
Yes,
why that's what I said. How polymorphic call helps in code maintenance. Now look at that. When you add any number of shape, my code or.draw remains same. I need not have to change, unlike non-polymorphic call where if then else I have to keep on adding it. My code doesn't get altered. Or.draw will remain same. Are you clear?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Clear.
Yeah, that's all. This is a simple academic version, classroom version of understanding polymorphic call. Not industry level, project level understanding, but same thing you can extrapolate with a different use cases. And it
Yes, sir.
some sense.
Your voice is little bit breaking in between.
Dheeraj, my voice is breaking.
Now it's clear.
Ankit, Ankit, is it making some sense to you all people?
Yes, sir.
Right. Maybe. Okay. Now look into that. In tomorrow's class, few more things we will see. What all things we'll see? Question number 6 we will see. Strong and weak aggregation we will not see. Multiple inheritance. Okay. We will not see. Abstract class today I referred it. Right. Tomorrow we will quickly complete all these things. Right. And day after tomorrow, C++ first program will begin. First 2 programs will begin. Right?
Yes.
Ankit, Ashish, Dheeraj, and all other people. Is it okay? Now look at that. The class strength has reduced from right 85 registration to 60 participants yesterday to 30. Right? It is a good thing. Ankit.
Yes, sir.
Right. The reason is the people who can spare, people who wanted to know, people who are preparing for the placement, only those people will come. Right? Other people may have their own reason, priority, technical problem, lots of things.
Yes.
Right? We don't mind. Right? The size of an audience doesn't matter for us, because we are preparing for place. Right? So is that okay? Shall we continue all this thing?
Sure.
Ankit, Ashish. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Ashish is there? Ashish?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right. Tomorrow we'll complete this class test part. Then day after tomorrow we will get into first 2 C++ program. First program is how to compile. Second one is from second example onwards. Very interesting thing will begin. How to the structure in C is different from C++. and how structure is different from class. Like this, it gets deeper into feature. Got it? Right?
Yes, sir.
So that's the first program we'll see day after tomorrow. Okay. Until that, you go through all these fundamentals. I put it together. PPT slides also available to you. Right? Go through that. Okay. Bye. So shall we end the program? Shall we end the session today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bye. Bye. Right?
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.